Alright guys, we have a Fox body update. So today we got a new fuel pump in for it. Got the old one out and the new one installed here, or we are currently installing. Just getting all the lines hooked up right now, and we're about to try to start this thing. The power connector broke, but we're still able to put the connector on there and on there. That's secure. And then I'm about to put the fuel line back on here. Gotta put the little white pieces inside of there so they lock, and then we'll put the fuel sending wire back on. I had trouble with this freaking top clamp. It was upside down the way I had it on, but about to get this pump in and see if we can get a start up. Okay, fuel pump's installed. We got a little bit of gas. We have the tank hanging still, so we're just going for a test fire real quick. Turn downs. Okay, so try it out. Probably needs more gas. I'm trying to put more gas in it. It's dead dry. I literally emptied the whole thing. Okay, attempt number 2, new fuel pump. Cool. Cool. Fuel pump later. Sounds good. Like, sounds healthy. No smoking or nothing. Damn.
Put the tank in there and all the stuff. Like, there's a lot of, like, all those.
Yeah, it's like no radiator fluid. There's probably no power steering.
No, power steering works. Power steering works, but it's out of shit and stuff, you know. Like, it's like, I just wanted to see if it's gonna bring oil up. Like, if it's gonna build up.
No ticking or nothing either. Like, damn.
If it's gonna build oil pressure, this is what I wanted to see.
There's the smoke. Hi, baby.
Why do you have my blanket?
Idling on his own? Quiet.
And it helps me in the side.
Fill it up. You got it?
Yeah.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Or you got it? Here, pour it. Okay. All full. Oh, can you plug the battery in?
You're asking for a lot. How do you plug a battery in?
Looks like it's running pretty good. Got it topped off the coolant. I'm not sure if the water pump's moving water yet. Can't really tell. It's not really. Get her to move under her own power. Shit in here. Window's not working. Door's unlocked and locked. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Oh shit, I forgot I got shit on the exhaust. Gotta turn it off. That shit's probably on fire. Fuck. I forgot I had like grass on the exhaust. Shit. Fuck. Oh yeah. Oh, good thing I didn't drive. I forgot about that. It's literally grass on the exhaust. Fire waiting to happen. Light little grass fire down there, but She's bringing the water right now. She'll be all right. Damn, and these fucking wires are cooking on these headers. Shit. I should have did a once over before the test drive. I just went for the drive. I mean, the first gear felt pretty good. Not bad. Oh yeah, that shit went out. Pretty much. Alright, so just got that put out a little bit. Yeah, there's like a little nest of grass just from it sitting for so long, so that shit was like on fire. But I'm gonna drive it back and then use the blower to blow all that out, and then take it on another test ride, see how she does. This thing has so much potential, just needs a good paint job. The interior is good, clean up on the interior, and it's a badass Fox body. Second gear. Take it easy on these tires.